Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today it's how to look at your activity timeline for a specific year on Facebook on your mobile app. This is on an iPhone. Open up your Facebook mobile app, and from your news feed you want to select the menu option in the bottom right, then select see your profile to go into your profile, then click on these three dots and then select activity log. If you scroll down, click on View Activity History. This is all of your history, but if you then select Filters, click on Date All. Now what you can do is you can select the start date and an end date where you can see everything in between those dates on your activity timeline. So I'm going to select start date as 1st of January 2015 and then the end of the year 31st of December 2015. Next to the end date, click on Done and then click on Done on the top right hand corner. And it will now show you all the activity on your timeline for that entire year 2015, with the most recent being 1st. If we scroll all the way to the bottom, you can see that the last entry is the 1st of January 2015. If you want to know how to perform this step on a desktop PC, there's a link above now about how to do that. If you come out of your activity history and then go back in, it resets all the filters, so it basically shows you everything on your timeline again. I'll tell you what, that definitely deserves a lovely cup of tea. I hope you found that useful. Up here is a video on how to send voice memos from your iPhone to your computer. Thanks for visiting my channel, everyone. I really appreciate it.